So, as of recently, I've been pondering a lot of things, and namely, one of them has been how do we make hot chocolate better? Yeah, today I'm going to show you how to make a really freaking good hot chocolate. I personally like to call it a Moneycomb because, I don't know, it sounds fun, you know? I guess we might as well stop beating around the bush and get right into the recipe here. So, yeah, let's go. And so let's cover what you need here. So I'd recommend doing this over a stovetop with some actual hot chocolate mix instead of that Swiss Miss instant piss crap. You know, stealing a line from Salmonella over here. Personally, I really like this one mix from this place in Wheaton, Illinois called Four Brothers. It's in the Chicagoland area, if you're wondering. So yeah, I'd recommend going for that. Obviously, you might want to put this over a simmer burner. Aside from that, yeah, what it calls for 4 of these tablespoons of the mix over here, and then a cup of the heavy whipping cream, which is literally the recipe from the actual drinking chocolate thing. Thing is, over time, I decided to make a couple little additions, so I'll get to those in a little bit. Now, what you want to do here is, put the heavy whipping cream over the simmer burner, hopefully, up until it's almost boiling, but not quite. Uh, yeah, boiling milk sounds cursed as hell. Get the extra cream in there, the cup, and yeah, now we can get to the other ingredients after that starts to melt. Personally, I like to do half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of cinnamon sugar, a, or actually, uh, yeah, half a teaspoon, quarter teaspoon of regular sugar, and then just a little just a little glob of honey thrown in there for good measure, you know? Yeah. Also, one of these little whisks, very helpful with mixing the chocolate in there. Alright, so now we're gonna put in a little glob of honey. Just about that much. Not a lot, but enough to be noticed. You know? I also put in the vanilla extract already, so yeah, if you're wondering what's been going on so far, that's what's been going on. Alright, it appears that everything we've wanted to put into this mix has been placed into the mix. Yeah. So, yeah. We got 3/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon sugar in there, actually. 1/4 teaspoon of regular sugar. And yeah, that's really about it. So yeah, bottoms up, let's drink a Moneycomb. There it is. And now, time to see the fruits of our labor. Or really my labor, because I am inherently better than you. Don't ask. Very tasty. Just as I expected, because I'm better than you. Well, I'm just joking, of course. You stay safe out there. Stay in school. Do drugs. Have a nice day.